Woo!
Throw it.
Don't drop it, Stephen. Don't drop it for a bit of sauce. Okay, so this is our block. This is our hotel. It's got a kind of reception desk here. The taxi driver was saying a lot of people stay here. It's quite popular. So Kota Bharu. This is our first time here. So that place seems to be an all-day nasi lemak. I'm sure the prices will be ever so reasonable. Another place over there. So we're surrounded by fooderies. This is almost like Georgetown in Penang, isn't it? But wider streets. And your name is?
CK.
CK.
Yeah.
Am I in the center of the
Yes,
city
you
now?
are at the center of the city.
Okay,
yeah.
we're gonna have a walk around.
Yeah,
I might
no
come back
worries.
and have a
No
little
worries,
look later,
no
man.
worries,
Nice to meet you. Good luck.
Thank you, bro.
Well, that's really interesting. So CK there, he's got his own little restaurant, opened in 2021. What a difficult time to open a restaurant, hey? But he's doing okay. And he was telling me that Nasi Ulam originates from here. Now, Nasi Ulam, the way I understand it, the Baba Nonya, the Nonya style of cooking is probably my favorite rice in the world. And I learned to make it with my good friend Nick in Penang and his mum. But he says it's a different version here. It's a Malay version, but we have to try that, Michelle. I want to see. He says, don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. Do I look like I want disturbing? People say, how do you travel the way you travel? You know, what planning do you do? And as a rule, this is what we do. We just rock up to a place, try to get as central as possible, which doesn't always work. I quite often make a mistake with that. And then we go out and we explore. We get our steps in. And while we're getting our steps in, almost with serendipity, we stumble across places. Well, at the moment, I could be proven a liar. And we will see. You know, there was a time when nobody had smartphones and the internet to Google what's the best eatery in town. This is the only way you had to do it. Michelle and I travelled before smartphones, so we never had problems back then. So I guess it's just a continuation, isn't it, for us? There's much more chance of just happening across places by doing it this way. This looks like the night market. Oh, we are early. We're always early. We might have to find somewhere cool to sit and have a coffee. Ni kari udang. So what time does the market start normally?
8.
About 8 o'clock, yeah?
After prayer.
After prayer. So is there a place here just to sit and have a cold coffee, maybe iced coffee or somewhere?
Coffee, that's for
This place is going to be rocking. Look at those burners there. Who wants to have a guess? What they always got like a paella dishes. Wow. Look at these. Can I touch? Yeah. Okay, so like paella dishes.
Hello.
Hello, man. How are you? How are you? I'm not filming you. Go, do again. Do again. Go like this. Thank you. So we're going to have to find a place to have a little cool rest, because after prayers, when we hear the call to prayers, I think this place is going to be rock and rolling. Very interesting. Okay, so we've come back. We burnt 30 minutes having a coffee indoors, and we've come back to this market because I reckon it starts kicking off.
Smell it.
Quite looking forward to this. So Kota Bharu food market. Ah, she's joking. That wasn't open, was it? That's where she said to come. Wow, so they haven't got their lights on yet, so we can't see what they're doing. Penang chili banh mi. And these guys are not ready yet. There's fries and nachos.
Very cute, man.
So again, really just starting up a little bit. They look nice, don't they? Hello, what's inside here?
Potato with beef.
With beef. Potato with beef. They look beautiful. What's the name?
Taho Bagetti.
Taho Bagetti. Terima kasih. Thank you. Is it spring rolls?
Carbonara.
Popia carbonara.
Carbonara.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Terima kasih. Is cash okay? Card? You don't have no change? Thank you. Terima kasih. Oh, now she hasn't got change for 10 ringgit. It's becoming a cashless society, I think. No, and you have to first go walking to get 2 kilometers to get change. I think the girls felt a bit guilty for making me walk so far for change, so they've given us some free spring rolls as well, Michelle. Wow, what is this, man? Beef? Dagang?
This one is lamb.
This is lamb, okay.
This one is meatball.
Meatballs. And how do you serve? Just like on a stick?
No, we serve with sauce.
With a gravy, yeah, like a gravy sauce. Ah, nice. Lamb also. Lamb and lamb.
This one is beef.
This one beef, this one lamb. Oh, you smell the lamb. It smells good, huh? Spaghetti bolognese, Michelle. McDonald's fries. This is ayam?
Ayam.
Oh. Chicken. I want to try these. So she said beef and potato, was it?
So, not sure I can get that in.
So these are deep fried. I had to go walking streets upon streets to get the change to buy these. They were, how much were they? 4 or 6? 6.
6 for 4.
6, okay. I'm going to try it with the chili sauce. I don't get beef,
No.
but I do get delicious. And very nice.
I think there is a little tiny bit of beef in.
She said beef. Maybe it's a beef fat. The chili sauce is nice. It's not a hot. I mean, it's not spicy. It's like a chili sambal. So I want to try these, and these are super hot.
She just was frying those.
So
While you
there are
were
2
away.
different sizes in here, I think.
Yes, there were some little ones.
So we've got the little ones, which are red hot, and this looks to be like a sweet chili sauce. Has that lit my face up a lot differently? We've just turned the light on.
Yeah.
What, I'm like cut out at all?
Yeah, now you are. That's okay. That's a bit light on your face. Oh, that's better.
She took that from me then.
Pulled it down for me.
I cooled it down a little bit. It's a very sweet, that's like a proper sweet chili sauce. So I'm going to try this big one, which looks like it might have beef or meat in it. Oh, hot. It tastes like bully beef, like corned beef hash, you know. You try that.
It's hot, isn't it?
Give me the cappuccino to try, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. We go cappuccino. What is it like?
So you want stick or cup?
What's best? Cup?
Cup.
Yeah, cup. Here we go. We're going to have cappuccino cubes. Nice.
Okay. Thank you.
And 1 coconut also, huh?
One coconut.
Thank you.
Can I no, yeah.
Okay.
You
Thank you, bro. So I got cappuccino, Michelle. You've got coconut. You're more expensive, Michelle. Coconut is 4 ringgit. Cappuccino is 3 ringgit. Here, sweetheart.
very good.
Very good. How do you say? Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's actually nice. It's very nice, man. I like it.
It's not just saying it's very good.
I like it.
Thank you.
The satay looks nice as well, Michelle. Is it spicy?
No.
No? Sometimes it's spicy. Chicken and beef. Can I get 4 and 4? Oh, beautiful, man. It looks nice. Last time we had it was in Ipoh, right?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I gotta pay.
Thank you.
How much? 11 ringgit. Okay.
Only 11.
Thank you. Terima kasih. Thank you. Beautiful. Wow, Michelle, look at this. Look at this satay. So I've got a mixture of chicken and beef satay. This has got to be one of our favorite things in Malaysia, right? The satay. Well, you look at that. Chicken satay. Oh wow, so succulent. A lot of fat in there. The flavors. That is unusually juicy. That's almost running down my chin. Okay, let's go for the beef. Woo!
Throw it.
Don't drop it, Stephen. Don't drop it for a bit of sauce. That's hard to explain. It's so juicy. It can only be the fats, but super tender. It melts in your mouth.
Brain.
Brain?
Brain. Brain fish.
Brain fish?
Yes. Yes. You see. You want one test?
Okay, give me some try. Give me a try.
I give you one.
Thank you, bro. So it's with rice.
Ah, yes.
Puluhuti.
Nice. Delicious.
Nice. Get him saying nice, delicious.
Hello, guys.
It's interesting, but I want the jackfruit.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So, fish,
Yes.
Brain
Brain fish.
brain fish. What is brain fish?
Wait.
Show me. Sliced fish cake is grilled, steamed, banana leaf, brain fish. But it's not brain fish, no? It's all fish.
It's all fish.
Okay, good for the brain. eh?
Good for the brain. Okay.
I understand, bro. And thank you.
Okay.
You're a lot of fun. The next thing, deep fried jackfruit. Now, jackfruit can be really good. It can be delicious and sweet, or it can be a little bit sort of musty. Let's give this a try. Oh, sweet. Almost like banana. Why have I got? Oh, I got the seed. That's good jackfruit. Sometimes I find jackfruit a little bit towards durian a little bit, but this is sweet, delicious jackfruit. Want to try a piece, Michelle? So we've had potato cakes,
Yeah.
cappuccino ice cream, jackfruit, really good satay. That's something else as well. I'm missing something.
Sauce fish. Fish.
Oh, the brain fish.
Brain fish.
It's called brain fish. We had something else set over here because we had two dishes.
We have the spring rolls.
And we had the spring rolls. You could have a proper meal here. There's really good chicken, fried chicken and rice. But I'm full already. And maybe it was that cake I had earlier on today, Michelle. Don't tell people about the cake. Hello. Wow. What a great market. Great market. We spend hours here. We maybe come tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure, but if we're here, we may come tomorrow. Take care. See you on the other side. This is the famous market in Kota Bharu.
This is plastic rubbish.
Rubbish, yeah?
Plastic.
I can only assume this is the #1 market. It's nice, but also I think most things will be nice. I think most things will be nice.